Hi, I got your plan file. Thanks for sharing it. Open in X10. Not quite sure what this is over here for, but I can guess. And you want a deck up here, but you want it on a roof plane. Well, roof planes aren't really well suited to put railings on, so I'm going to delete the roof plane. And I'm going to go, here's your railing wall. I'm going to take that and extend it over these walls that you've got here. Of course, I don't know exactly in any kind of detail what you want, but now I've got something that looks like a deck. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if you want this covered or not, but I'm going to open this up. Whoops. What's wrong with that dialog box? I'm going to turn this into a balcony. And open this up, take the ceiling out. Yeah, okay. When I named it balcony, it took the ceiling out. We'll go back to the overview. Okay, it's weird in this camera view. I don't get a. Let's see. What's wrong with the floor? Floor into this room. 12 inches. Oh, 12 inches 0. Okay. Well, I don't know what you want, but I'm going to make it concrete. I don't care about the thickness. That's up to you. I'm going to select the material and make it concrete. Where's the C's? There it is. Up there. Well, I'm going to clean out some of these materials. Here's concrete. All right. That should give us a floor looking kind of thing. Okay. I assume you want this to go up to the roofs, so I'm going to leave that alone. I don't know what kind of railings you want. Crap like this, you know, I don't know why the software does that, but you can straighten those wall polylines out pretty easily. Now, in terms of having a slanted floor, you don't need a roof plane for that. I'm going to go over here in an elevation camera, a backflip elevation camera. A backflip just shows from where you left click to where you release the mouse. So I'll just see this one railing. And I'm going to do a couple of things. Number one, I'm going to create a polyline, not a molding polyline, but it's a room polyline. And I'm going to convert that to a slab. And I need to find out what this floor height is. Okay, it's 121 1/8. Okay, so I'm going to take the slab that I made and set it to 121 1/8. Or I'm going to make it 12 inches thick, concrete. And to the bottom, the 121.125 minus 12 for the thickness of it. Okay. So I'm going to take that slab and extend it so that the railing's to the inside. Like that. I think I'll raise the slab just a little bit. We'll raise it an inch. That's fine. Looks a little cleaner that way. Now I'm going to go back over here. Oh, now you can see the slab pretty easily. Just take that and put it right up to that edge. Well, actually, let's. I'm going to open the dialog box of this balcony, and I'm going to lower its floor for drainage purposes, minus 4 inches. Oh, no, not floor below, dummy. What are you doing? You want to take floor minus 4 inches. I'm going to line that slab back up. Move that down 4 inches. Okay, so I got a little daylight there. I'm going to close this gap in the wall polyline so it disappears into the slab. There. Now, I'm going to take a polyline solid. I'm going to create a polyline solid in the shape of a isosceles. Whoops. I don't want that. I fumbled a little bit. I'm going to left click and drag, and there's a closed polyline, and put it inside the, well, it pops back inside the slab a little bit, matching the end of it, and we'll slant the sucker. There's your slanted floor. We'll just slant it a little bit. Now I'm going to convert that to a polyline solid. I'm going to make it 6 feet thick in plan. The 6 feet thick here is in plan view. And I don't want it to bump into walls and stuff, so I'm going to uncheck the bumping characteristics. Go back to plan and find it. It's over here. And extend it so it sits on top of the flat slab that I made. Now I'm done. I've got my railings. I don't know. See, that's probably a wall polyline. Let me click on that and pull that down just a little bit so it doesn't stick to the crack slab. There we go. That's better. This is not the only way to do this. It's a way, but it's a lot easier than trying to use a roof plane. Roof planes are not really for the creating of slanted deck floors. That's what polyline solids are for, in my opinion. Now I've got a slanted floor. I've got the railing there slightly inset, like you would most usually have, and there you have it. Now you can change some of these elements to suit your designer preferences. That's what a designer does. But otherwise, I think this is a better solution than trying to go at this with a roof plane. Thanks for watching. I'm out of here.